How to solve percentages in few seconds. So if we take a number that is 15 and that is the percentage of value 80, so what will be the answer of this? Now before to give the answer for this, we have to understand a percent, that is per and cent. So cent is 100 and the part of that is we found out, so it is known as a percent. Out of 100 how much? Here if we take a 100% of value 80, so this is of 80, so 100% of 80 is 80. If we write down a 50% of 80, that is half of that, so that value is 40. 10% of 80, that is 8. Again 5% of 80, that is again half of this, that is 4. And 1% of 80, that is 0.8. So in this way we just found out percentage very easily. So by using that we have to find out percentage of any value, or you can say the any percentage of any value very easily. Now if we take a 15% of 80, so we divide this percent in two part, so we just find out 10%, that is very easy to count, plus 5%, that is also very easy to count from this table, and the summation of that is equal to 15%. So 10% of 80, that equals to 8, and the 5% of 80, that is half of this 10%, so that is 4. So answer of that is summation of this two value, that is 12. So in this way you can calculate any percentage of any value. Let us take another example, that is 60% of 84. So here again you can divide with two part of that 60, and the easiest part of 60 is 50% plus 10%. So 50% of 84, that we know very easily, that is half of that, that is 42, plus 10% of 84, that is again 8.4, and the summation of that is 50.4. that is the answer. Let us take another value. So 98% of 68, how much? That we require to find out. Now here you have to divide that percentage 98 this way, so you can make it very easily. So here we can write 100% minus 2%. So 100 minus 2, that is 98. So it will be very easy to find out. Now again 100% of 680, that is very easy, that is complete 680. Now how to find out 2% of 680? So again if it is difficult to find out, so again do another part of this, that is 1% and 1%. So now 680 remain as it is, minus 1% of 680, that is 6.8. Now it is very easy, again 6.8, and the answer will be 666.4, 666.4. Again next, if we take, that is 56% of 440. What is the answer of this? So here if we take a part of this percentage, so in this way, this is the very easy way to take a part of 56, that is 50%, then 5%, again plus 1%, right? Now if we find out the 50% of 440, that is half of that, that is 220, plus 5%. Now 50%, you know, that is 220, so definitely 5% is 22, and what is the 1% of this? So that is 4.4. so here the answer of this is equal to 246.4. so now this is the way where you find out a percentage, any percentage of any value very easily.